How to create or open Temu account? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to create or open Temu account. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Temu app on your device. Make sure you have the updated version of the Temu applications on your device. Tap the U button at the bottom center of the screen. Now you will land on the section where you can easily create account using Google, Facebook, email, phone number, or even the X or Twitter account. For now, let's select continue with email. Now here you need to enter your email address and tap continue button. So now you can continue with Google or use your email verification code to sign in. So let's enter the verification code here. Once you do that, when you go to use section at the bottom center of the screen, here at the top you will see your username. That means we have successfully created or opened Temu account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.